Manpreet Kaur from MFine, and today I will be talking about Daflon Tablet. Daflon Tablet is the brand name of a medicine which has a combination of two chemicals, that is diosmin and hesperidin. It is a micronized purified flavonoid fraction, which means that it has small particles of naturally derived substances from citrus fruits. It helps in reducing the inflammation by blocking the substances that are causing inflammation. Daflon is available in two doses, that is 500 milligrams and 1000 milligrams. Daflon 500 mg. Daflon 500 mg has a combination of diosmin 450 milligrams and hesperidin 50 milligrams. Daflon 1000 mg. Daflon 1000 mg has a combination of diosmin 900 milligrams and hesperidin 100 milligrams. The uses of Daflon. Daflon is used in treating piles or hemorrhoids and also in varicose veins. It has less evidence of its use in lymphedema, which means there is swelling of hands or feet. Also, it is used in bleeding gums. So, how does Daflon work? Daflon helps in improving the strength and protecting the venous walls and the valves inside the veins. It helps in reducing the pressure inside the veins. It is having a pro-fibrinolytic activity, which means that it reduces the chances of clot formation. It reduces the capillary leakage and reduces edema, that is swelling. It helps in improving the microcirculation, so it helps in healing the venous ulcers or the ulcers that might occur due to the varicose veins. It has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, so it helps in healing of the wound faster. It is a lymphotropic drug, which means that it improves the lymphatic circulation as well. So it helps in lymphedema, that is in swelling of the hands or the feet. So in case if there is a hemorrhoidal crisis, which means that a sudden increase in swelling and protruding piles, Daflon is useful because of the above said reasons. So how does it act is Daflon acts by reducing the symptoms of piles. It also helps in preventing the recurrence of piles. So in hemorrhoidal crisis, the dosage is around 1000 milligrams thrice a day for 4 days, followed by 500 milligrams of Daflon twice a day for 3 days. If it is working well for the patient, we might continue Daflon of 1000 milligrams for around 2 months. But this is not a fixed duration, fixed dosage. Daflon's dosage and frequency depends on the severity of varicose veins or severity of piles. It can be as less as 500 milligrams once or twice a day for 5 days, or it can also be used for 3 months, that is 1000 milligrams once a day for 3 months. It is usually not used beyond 3 months. So as told earlier, Daflon is the name of the brand. So there are certain alternative brands that you can use in case Daflon is not available. These include Desoflav, Aldosmin and Venostor. In certain conditions, only diosmin part of Daflon might be prescribed. So there are certain other brands which have diosmin only as the combination. These include Venex or Dosmin or Venosmin. Side effects of Daflon. Daflon side effects include nausea, vomiting, abdominal pain, diarrhea, or dizziness, headache, muscles pains, or itching, rashes. So if you're facing any of these side effects due to the usage of Daflon, please reach out to your general surgeon or physician. Daflon has to be used cautiously in certain conditions, or better avoided in certain conditions like in pregnancy and breastfeeding, if there is liver or kidney failure, and also Daflon is not used below the age of 10 years. Daflon can cause drug interactions, which means it has to be avoided with certain drugs because it might increase or decrease their effect. So these drugs include certain anti-diabetic medicines like glipizide, certain anti-epileptic medications like carbamazepine, certain painkillers like diclofenac, naproxen, piroxicam or ibuprofen. certain anti-allergic drugs like fexofenadine or anticoagulant drugs like heparin, warfarin.
Don't forget to like and share this video. For more such videos, do subscribe to the MFine channel and hit the bell icon to never miss any update.